all, this is Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. Today we are going to see how to make a clicker game in Scratch. Before we make that, take a second and smash that like button and share this video to all of your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to receive my videos. So now let's get right into the video. So yeah, we are going to first delete the cat. Next we are going to choose a sprite and click on paint. Next we are going to click on the circle tool and draw a circle. Yeah, next let's change the border size to 16 and change the border color to a yellow and a very slightly dark yellow, like this, and not that much dark, slightly more lighter. No difference. No difference, right? Okay. Now we are going to make another one, also the same color but more lighter. Now let's zoom in, decrease the size slightly. Okay, this size will be enough. Okay, and let's just delete that. Okay, now we are going to click on the text tool and make it a 1. Please comment, I don't know where the dollar signs come. I think it will come first, right? So yeah, let's just resize it and change the color to the border. Okay, and yeah, that's the first thing we are going to do. Next we are just going to duplicate it 4 times, I think. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, now this will be over here, this will be over here, and this will be over here, and finally this will be over here. Okay, now we are going to edit it. After that only we will start with the code. Okay, so now yeah, first this will be $500. Okay, and underneath we will put, it will cost 1000 points. And let's make it slightly visible. Yeah, like that. And change the font color to black. Next this will be the same thing. 1, this will be 500 points. Sorry, and this will be 100 point, $100. Why I'm putting dollars if I'm in India, so I put rupees, but I don't have a rupee symbol. But majorly some people watching these videos are some only majorly are from India, from who are watching my videos. So yeah, this will now be $50. Okay, so forward one second, and it will cost 100 points. Yeah, and next this will be $10, and also it will cost 50 points. Okay, and now this just, and also I don't have the rupees symbol on my keyboard, so yeah, that's what, nothing else. Okay, yeah, we have finished creating the sprites. Now we are going to start with the code. So yeah, let's first go to this $1 coin, and which is the main sprite of this code. It's very important actually. You can also, if you want, you can change this to gems and make these points whatever you want. It's your creation. So yeah, that's what you can, it's your imagination, so you can do anything you want with this. Or I will just leave the link in the description of the clicker game, so if you want to remix it, feel free. Yeah, so yeah, first what are we going to do? Go to events and drag in when this sprite is selected. Yes, you may be telling I will bring and the flag is selected, but for this code I need to go to variables and only bring when the flag is clicked, or I can just drag in when the flag is clicked, then drag in go to X position and Y position this. Okay, so yeah, go to loops and drag in set size to 100 and change it to 110%. Next go to control and drag in, wait 1 second, change that to 0.0008 second. Next go to loops and drag in set size to 100. Okay, that's it. So let's see, sorry, yeah, it is now changing size, right? So now let's make a new variable. Now only the window flag is click will be used, so make a new variable called score. Yeah, so now actually score is also not needed, we can make it as points. Sorry, points, sorry, how do I explain? Points. Okay, so now we will just delete the score, and now set my variable to 0, change that to points. Now we are going to make another variable. Before that, let's just delete my variable. Okay, now it will be automatic click points per second. Per second also it's fine. One second, wait. Okay, per second. Yeah. So no need for cloud variables in the. So yeah, now we are going to drag in and set automatic points per second to 0 when the flag is clicked. Yeah, now we are going to go to events again and drag in when the sprite is clicked, and go to variables and drag in and change this to by 1. We can change that to points. And now let's add some sound also. So go to sounds and drag in, actually not drag in, click on choose a sound. Now we are going to try do ding, not this, sorry. Any sound is okay. Okay, wait. Any sound is okay. Come. This coin sound is perfect. So now we are going to go to sound and drag and play sound until done. Now let's test it out. Yes, it's changing the points. So yeah. And when we click it again, it will set to 0. Okay, that's perfect. And we still have a few code left in this area. So yeah, that is also only also needed, which is go to events and drag in when the flag is clicked, and drag in a forever loop and drag in a wait 1 second block. Next go to variables and drag in change automatic points for a second and change that to points, and go to variables and drag in this automatic points for a second. Okay, so yeah, it will not do any difference because we still not do any code for the other sprites, so it will not be effective working now. So yeah, now what are we going to do? Go to the next sprite. Very sorry about the sound in the background. So yeah, now for this it's going to be easy only. All the code is going to be easy only. So yeah, so we are going to go to the 10 point, and so yeah, we are going to go to small to big ascending order. Yeah, so now we are going to go to events and drag in when the flag is clicked, and go to controls and drag in forever, and drag in a if then else statement, and go to operators and drag in a greater than symbol like this. Now go to variables and drag in points and make it as 50 points. It would be defaultly like that. So now what are we going to do is go to loops and go scroll down and set color effect to 0, change that to 50, and change this to ghost effect, and duplicate it and set it to, and actually not duplicate it, and all after that clear effect. So until we get 50 points, wait, see. we cannot click it still because we did not type the full code yet. So yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so let's just type the full code, and when the sprite is clicked, go to control and drag in a if then else statement, and go to variables and drag in change points per second to and change that to points, and change this to -50. Okay, because it should go down. And now change points per second, automatic points per second, to 10. Okay, and before that just duplicate this. Okay, now if I can click that, it will generate automatic points like that. Again we can be clicking on it. So to make our job easier, let's just drag this to every sprite and just decrease the size so that we have more space. So over here we need to just change this 50 to 100, this also 100, and this should be -100, and this should be 50. Okay, next this also, let's just this is going to be width. Okay, this is going to be 500. Okay, -500, not like that. So, and this should be -500 points, and this will be changed to 100, not 1000. Now finally for this last sprite, this game is for like beginners, for coding. I'm not telling who are all watching this are beginners. It's for beginners. It's not basically what I'm telling is this is like a basic code. You can do it very easily. I'm not telling because you are beginners, but it is a easy code that I'm only just telling that. Okay, and okay, this will be -1000, and this will be 500. Okay, so let's now test it out. Yeah, if you want, you can just make your let's get the 300 and buy the $50. Okay, now it will be generating 50 points per second. Okay, now it will be generating a lot of points now. Wait a second. This code, I think. No, correct only. Okay. Yeah, now it will be like impossible to and decrease the points. So we are not, if you want to do this part you can do it. I'm just adding it for style only. Sorry. Okay, so now what are we going to do is we are going to just type in automatic and click on the background and type it. Type it automatic points per second. Okay, and now again click on the text tool and type in points. Okay, and yeah, that's why only I left that much gap. Okay, now we are going to drag automatic points there and points, so here. Oh my gosh, so many points. Okay, so yeah, that's how you make a coin clicker game, or any clicker game if you want. Click game. So yeah, that's how you make a clicker game in Scratch, or coin clicker game in Scratch. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Once again, I'm Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. And if you have any doubts, you can just go to my profile or you can just comment down below. Yeah, so, and also if you want to share your creation, go to Scratch YouTuber team and go to comments. So far no new comments, only like 6 months 7 months ago only someone has asked me, can you teach me? Okay, yes, and I posted nice projects everyone. Yeah, that's only. Okay, if you want you can tell me to add you as a creator, and if your projects are very good, yeah, one of my major uploaded game project is this guy. If you want you can also follow him. He only uploaded major projects over here. See, so many projects. So yeah, if you have any doubts also you can ask here. Everyone can help, actually everyone can help. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and Scratch First Timer out.